The mission of the Boys and Girls Clubs of Cedar Rapids.
To inspire and enable all young people,
especially those that need us the most,
to realize their full potential
as productive, responsible, and caring citizens.
What do you know about the Boys and Girls Clubs of Cedar Rapids? Did you know that there are 2 clubs in Cedar Rapids? One is located on Ellis Boulevard, and the other is located in the First Congregational Church on 17th Street. Did you know these 2 clubs serve over 200 children each and every day? Did you know about 80% of them live at or below the poverty level?
I feel that the community should support the Boys and Girls Club because they're the heart of Cedar Rapids. Like the schools are, I feel like the Boys and Girls Club is the heart of Cedar Rapids. They brought a lot of kids through. When I've been to the Thanksgiving dinners, what I've seen kids stand up and see where they used to be, and now they're in college, or now they're finished college and they have good jobs.
Did you know that the Boys and Girls Club is more than just a job to the staff here?
I've watched the staff grow as well. They're very patient with the kids. They enjoy their work, which makes a huge difference for the kids being here. If the staff is happy and doing the things that they need to do for the kids, it makes the kids be able to excel as well.
It does offer so many different programs and so many different activities and fun events. I mean, the Boys and Girls Club doesn't just stop at 6 o'clock. On weekends, like Friday nights, they have their hoop and jam where the kids can come play basketball, they can watch movies, they get snacks, they get pizza, they get a dance, learn about music, all those types of things. The programs definitely that some of these kids would not get if it wasn't for the Boys and Girls Club. I know that for a fact.
Did you know that the diverse programs and activities at the Boys and Girls Club are designed to keep the kids active, make them think, and teach them basic living skills?
It's not just a daycare for us, you know. It offers them so many different skills. It offers them a place to be safe. It offers them transportation to and from school, some people's kids, and that, I know for me, gives me a peaceful feeling.
Being a kid who lost his mother at a very young age, never knew my father figure, and growing up in the violent area that I grew up in, not having the Boys and Girls Club might have been pretty devastating. I would hate to even speculate. And the Boys and Girls Club kind of fills that void for a lot of kids, not just me. There's no telling which road I would have taken.
Did you know that the Boys and Girls Club changes lives?
I believe that it wasn't for Lori Hampy and the Boys and Girls Club, my daughter may not be alive today. Because when I couldn't reach her, she did. She is a shining star. She has goals. She cares about what she looks like now. But the best part, I think, is the way she's taking time with other youth that come into the Boys and Girls Club.
Did you know that when you support the Boys and Girls Clubs of Cedar Rapids, you are helping the entire community?
I love what difference it has made in my children. I love the way they grab these kids from the streets, pull them out of their negative situations, and turn their negative into a positive. They don't look down on these kids like a lot of people do. They look at the worst and what people say the worst is, and they bring out the best.
Please call to learn how you can help the Boys and Girls Clubs of Cedar Rapids.